Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got an exceptionally nice GTO right here. This thing is straight, body off frame restored, numbers matching, has a new vintage air system. Just a good, clean, straight car that runs and feels and functions really well too. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the specs and study all the pictures. And we do put prices on every single collector car we have for sale on our website, volocars.com. If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon so you're notified as the new ones are posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I happened to walk through the shop when this was on the lift, and I said out loud, wow, this is clean. Body was off the frame. The underbody of the car, all nice metal, and it's painted silver. It's not as glossy as the top, but it is all painted silver. Nothing to hide. And the chassis was all painted black. It's a smooth, clean frame. It's all taken apart for restoration. This car has the F41 suspension, which has the boxed rear control arms, front and rear sway bars. The front end's been all rebuilt, all the bushings and components and the steering, all that's rebuilt. It's got a newer, it looks new still, the dual exhaust, and it's like factory type mufflers. Has the splitter tips coming right out through the valance. Car sounds nice. You'll hear it towards the end of this video. Brakes have been redone. They're disc in front, drum in back. E-brake assemblies all hooked up. The hoses and the lines look real good. Fuel tank's been replaced. The straps, everything's all been redone or replaced. Sending unit. You look up at the motor, it's clean. The starter, the fuel pump, they've been replaced with original type equipment. The VIN number, the matching numbers on this engine is actually down low. You look at it from underneath. So we did put a picture on our website. The VIN number down at the bottom of the motor matches the car. It has a proper Turbo 400 automatic transmission in there. And it has the original 10-bolt rear end in the back. So underneath this car is very nice. We've had a lot of compliments on the color. It's called Paladium Silver, code 14. This is the color it was born. And it's just a nice looking silver. It's a Southern car, I think from Alabama is where we acquired it. And just a really clean, straight body. So let's check it out. All metal, no bubbles. If you notice in the videos, I'm always down here doing this. That's where they bubble up. That's where you get the rust and a little body filler around the wheel well. And that's where I always check. I look and I feel. Sometimes you don't see it, but you'll feel it. Corners of the trunk's another area that's prone to get bubbles from rust. But I don't see any in this car. And I always look at the fit and finish. You make sure it's square and flush. And how straight is the car? Looking down the side, it's absolutely straight. Even as it's going around, I'm not seeing any dips or waves. It's not waving at me. The body lines are all nice, smooth, clean, square. Yes, all lines up real nice. It's got the GTO scooped hood. Hood fits flush. A lot of these cars, the hinges go bad, they stick up. The rubber bumper is an issue on a lot of these GTOs where they just don't fit. I'll say the gap's a little bit big right here, but it lines up very well for a rubber bumper. This all fits nice, square. No damage on the bumper either. It's all in really nice shape because this is rubber. It's painted. There's a hairline crack right there that they typically do crack when you bump them or lean on them, but this one's in real nice shape. Okay, the trim. You got Rally 2 wheels. They're painted up real nicely. It has the correct lug nuts. Pontiac used different lug nuts. The correct center caps, trim rings, BF Goodrich tires. All the tires and wheels look great. The wheel well moldings, rocker moldings, all this trim. This is all stainless steel and it's polished like chrome. So all this trim is fantastic. New windshield. Side glass is real nice. There are some light scratches on this one. Notice how nice the windows fit too. All this trim's redone. Original back glass. There are some scuffs on the glass, typical. Vinyl top, I'm sure, is new. That's excellent. The rear bumper's been rechromed, real nice chrome, new tail lights. Door handles look new. It's got sport mirrors on both sides. Weather strips and window seals have been replaced. They fit real nice. Door jambs painted real nice. So why don't we open it up? Let's get inside and under the hood. Okay, I've already looked in this trunk and I really like it, and I'll show you and tell you why. Number one, it's complete. It has the spare, the jack, everything's detailed up real nice. Let's start under here. The trunk lid painted smooth and glossy. The latch is clean, has the sticker. The jamb is painted smooth and glossy. It has the original factory spot welds at the seams, new weather strip. Now in the trunk, a lot of these trunks are just sprayed with the spray can spatter paint. This one's been resprayed with a gun and they clear coated it, which makes it real durable. You don't get that rust under the mat from moisture when it's been clear coated. So look how clean that is. I was looking up in the quarters. I was looking for splices. I believe these are the original quarters on the car from what I can tell. This is a Rally 2 wheel, matches the other wheels. It's painted nicely. The whole jack assembly's there. Tires got air in it. You'd be surprised how many flat tires we get for spares. So just a nice, complete trunk compartment. If you take a peek at the door jambs, they're even glossy and the bottom of the door is clean. And I made a point of saying the weather strips are new and they fit nice. Sometimes they're twisted and mangled up, but these are in real good shape. There's a little tear up on top of the glove box door panel. But other than that, it's straight and in real nice shape. The dash pad is in real nice shape. The instrument panel is all real good. I don't see anything cut up or broken. The heater control panel is replaced. It's a vintage air unit, so they're electric slides instead of the old cables that you gotta force. And there's a retro stereo, fits right in the dash as well. And then down below you've got some more modern, more reliable gauges you can watch. You got a center console in real nice shape. Steering wheel looks real good. The vents have all been replaced. Okay, down on the floor, you got real nice carpet. You got some embroidered GTO floor mats. We got a full set of GM seat belts in nice shape. The seats themselves have been recushioned. I can feel the firm cushion and reupholstered. The chrome lock covers are replaced. The back seat's real nice. You got more seat belts, a little faded, but they're in good original condition. And the side panels are mint. The rear speaker tray is the correct mesh tray, and all the trim around the windows real nice. And then the headliner looks new and tight as a drum. No wrinkles. The visors match. So very nice, clean, tidy interior. And I just noticed there's an auxiliary plug under the dash that would be for the stereo. You can plug in your phone or whatever. So under the hood is the 400 number match motor. They claim to put out 350 horsepower. This is restored to authentic specifications with the exception of the new heat and air conditioning system. So it'll blow nice cold air. The motor itself is clean, and the carburetor looks restored, and the air cleaner assembly is all complete. The chrome valve covers and air cleaner lid look real nice. The alternator looks new. We got power steering with some new hoses. Got power brakes with a cadmium plated booster. The wiper motor looks new. The squirters are hooked up. Batteries bolted down. The shroud is all here. It's got the right clutch fan. Yeah, everything looks very tidy, proper, clean. I certainly have the impression this is just a nice car. Again, everywhere you look, it's all very good or better. Just the way it fits, all the finishes, real nice. Doors shut beautifully. So someone's really going to enjoy this car. I think this would be a keeper. I think you're just going to enjoy it. You're going to get out and drive it. I think it's going to treat you real well. But that's my impression. Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman. They'll answer your questions the best they can. They can help you get this delivered. They can help you get it financed. Go to volocars.com. I hope you enjoyed the videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that and click the bell icon so you can be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.